friends, this is Million from the Feilong machine. Now I'm in the workshop to show you all our finished products waiting for shipment. Let's have a look. This is our TDI MDI casting machine. Next here is MDI casting machine. All these sets are already waiting for shipping overseas. Next here, there is our PU sheet centrifugal machine. This is the smaller size. We also can do the size as you need. Here is the two components. TDI mocha machine. It's totally only for TDI mocha. And this set is high pressure foaming machine. It's also finished, waiting for shipment overseas. And let's have a look. Next here is our smaller reactors, one component reactors. And next here we can see there's our old generation technology oil heating polyurethane casting machine. So all the machines here are finished inspection, they're waiting for shipping to our customers. If you are interested in any machines, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.